Okay, everyone out there at Guitar Kit World Land. Tim Land is here with Rustic Outlaw Guitars and two in the chest. We're here with the next build for two in the chest. You see we have the neck all fastened to the body. Got the body all prepped. Getting ready to do our steel wool trick. Again, nothing, no secrets here. I didn't invent this. I just found the idea, and it's how we do our top with body with ice, but don't look this along. This is ready for finishing. We are going to do all the rest of the rod. All the rest of the raw wood, standard to 320, we're going to do with this steel wool trick. And the first thing I'm going to do is the front of the headstock. How that's done. That right. What we have, you can see this is our steel wool mixture. Steel wool, water, and vinegar. Just regular vinegar. Like that, I've been churning for a while now. Don't need anything special. Do this with Tikaraya that we've been overthrows. Just a cheapy old chip brush. What this does is this is going to age the wood. You don't want to control where this goes. So when you wipe this on, you can see the rust. That's from the steel wool, no problem there. And what this is going to do, this is going to age the wood almost automatic. And watch that, we'll come back to that. We'll do the other side of the body and the neck. We'll come back and I'll show you that. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get into our I don't want to take it off. Go to control where this goes. Okay, we're getting some runs from some overstroke. That's why we have the rod there for me. Wipe it as that. It's better if you do this flash, by the way. Hopefully you can see that. We're gonna come back and we're gonna do some AG to the guitar, to the neck, to the body. Once we have this treatment done. Typically you can do this all in one coat. Just put it all over. Look at how it's aging that mahogany right there already. On the neck as well. You can see where the glue spots are. We got some glue. So now for this next bit, I'm going to lay flat. Well, maybe. You have to come back and sand that glue pan off. Remember to buy, but then I'll come back, do back here. But I want you to see, you can see where I put it on first and didn't wipe it. It actually aged that wood already. Okay, not rocket science here, nothing to, not like I'm reinventing the wheel, just brushing it on and letting the do his trick. That keep stirring your stuff because you want to get all that good mixture left. That would be so about that crap. There you go. Why is it up and back? You're ready for this or that? What is it back? Damn it. I don't mind if I do so. Oh, five for back after the sea. Cheers up. So here we go. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll show you how we do some dry brushing and some niche. Then we'll start the true oil. Thanks very much. Have a great day.